Welcome back to DIY Dave and Company. I'm Dave, and that's the company.
I'm Daniel. I'm utterly confused.
The good news is today is day 3 of our Lego City Advent Calendar, and I'm going to be the one doing it, so there will be no confusion because I've got it all together.
What do you mean? It's still in the thing. It hasn't been put together.
Yeah, we'll be back in just a second. Okay, day 3. There it is.
Just break it, why don't you?
Well, that was the whole goal. What have we got in day 3?
What is it?
Want
me to get it out for you?
No, I got it.
What is it?
Hey, it's a bunch of blocks. It's
I don't even know what this is. What is this?
Half of a plane?
No.
Okay, well, we'll see what it is when we get done. That's a piece of mail. It's a post office box. Don't know. Let's see what we get. All of our little pieces right here. That's a runaway piece. Mine. What can I build? Okay, so this goes on the bottom, and it points that away. And then...
What have you done?
Okay, so this goes on top, and it has a yellow light in it, like so.
Now you put it on a camera piece, I guess.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out
looking piece.
which way that goes. Okay. I'm getting there. We'll get it figured out in a minute, folks. So that goes there. Not sure why. And that goes there. Maybe. Get in there. I believe that goes underneath that. And this goes here. And this goes here. See, this is why I should have had Legos when I was growing up, because see, I'm good at this. And then red, white, and red. Like that. And like that. And then yellow on top. And
diamond. Oh no, you dropped it. It's ruined. I guess that's it.
That's it, folks. I don't know what it is, but I made it. I did it.
And he dropped the extra piece. There it is.
They're throwing my extra pieces around. So, what is it? It looks like 2 different types. It's supposed to be lanterns of some sort.
Let me look at it.
Oh, he thinks he can figure it out. Okay.
You got it in the wrong order. You got it red, red, white, not red, white, red.
Oh, oops! I messed up. And he took it apart. He took my toy apart.
I've broken your toy. Start crying.
I'm not gonna cry. I'm just gonna tell Mama. Are you scared yet?
You gonna tell Mommy?
You should be scared.
Diamond. Diamond.
Okay, so
Candy cane.
that's obviously supposed to be a letter or something on there, I think. Of course, the envelope, the stamp is going the wrong place, so maybe it's not. Yeah, actually, the stamp should be on it. I don't know what I built, but it was fun. I enjoyed day 3. I hope you guys did too.
Add it to the amalgamation.
I don't think that's going to work. We don't build cities by stacking objects. Guys, what can I say? They're just not right, and I guess neither am I. Anyway, this was day 3 of our Lego Advent Calendar. We'll be back tomorrow with another episode. So be sure you check back, click the subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up. Hey, and share these videos with people who, have nothing better to do. And we'll see you. Thanks for watching. There it is. That's what I built.